This is the celebration of our 001 of Nigeria, our president, Bala Ahmed Tinubu, the celebration of his birthday, o'clock 89 years. So this is the celebration of our president. You see all the Indian Nigeria do bidding on this place. You understand? They Atiku Abubakar, you understand? Many people one day they're gonna work at work at the Camino. You understand? Just look at upon all the table on this place. With the wine, with the mind this place, he feel comfortable. Or then Kayano and Azari beer and Azari yogurt to this place. Yeah, look at the big man who say about one now. You understand? Look at table the empty. As in everywhere the empty. No wine, no hot, no Pepsi, no malt. Yeah? No even rice. No cake. Just imagine everywhere they scanty like that. One day we can life big man also ready, to be honest with you. Alright, one has rice na beans na they got wine na to wine na no way na. One day ndi boji biri. So this is how the celebration are being going. One day if abu obi kubana okay. One day na negonu work nka Atiku Abubakar. Nde ji ayi shi aja today neche ha here. Neka nka Ojisukwajira isi aja one of Nigeria. Timbers are calibers, everybody food this place. So one day, yeah. But how cake at bush we about empty like this? No wine, no biscuits, no sweets, nothing. Yeah, just timbers are calibers. One day, hey, okay, e-money. Yeah, men full men gather. One day, neko the solution. He name in Anambra State. Our grande Dibia. The Divya name is with. Hey, okay, we need any huggy now. Enjoy the rest of the video, Biko.
87, 88. Congratulations, Baba. You will live long. Thank you very much. www.also.com. Where we are coming come. Check out your office. When the huge guy had to get ready to be papa for her today 1 year or child. But she was a lot of family for sure. Good to be a big guy. She you get the sense. Use your heavy body, go use her forgive you. Hey, if you broke it, go no one love you. I say come over the door. That is why little advice for you. I say move money down. Give to my love before you give for me I do too. Biggie I bully ke omo wanya bia. Asama chakwa nigga have a lot of down. Prelove the bars we want to get idea. Then I only share my money. How do you mean it come over? You back on rock, no, you're jolly. You're not gonna ballet. You're going to know where. Even though I'm not